Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use max cut. Max cut is a fundamental problem in graph theory, aiming to partition the vertices of a graph into two sets such that the sum of the weights of the edges connecting vertices in different sets is maximized. This is crucial for optimizing various real-world scenarios, from circuit design to community detection. We'll cover the essential steps to effectively apply this powerful algorithm, ensuring you understand its core principles and practical implementation. To effectively use max cut, you must first accurately construct your graph. Identify your problem's entities as nodes and the relationships between them as edges. Assign numerical weights to these edges, reflecting the strength or importance of each connection. For instance, a strong connection might have a weight of 10, while a weaker one has a weight of 2. This precise modeling ensures the algorithm correctly understands the partitioning objective, leading to meaningful results. Once your graph is ready, the next step is to apply a max cut algorithm. For smaller graphs, exact solvers can find the absolute optimal cut. However, for larger, more complex graphs, heuristic algorithms are often employed to find a high-quality, near-optimal solution within a reasonable timeframe. These algorithms will output two distinct partitions of your graph, along with the total weight of the edges crossing between them, which is your maximum cut value. After obtaining your max cut, it's vital to interpret the results in the context of your original problem. The two partitions represent the optimal grouping based on your edge weights. Evaluate if this division aligns with your objectives. Sometimes, refining your graph's weights or structure can lead to even better outcomes. Max cut is incredibly versatile, applicable to diverse fields like image segmentation, data clustering, and network analysis, offering powerful optimization capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.